Hi guys, let's make a West Indian classic, corned beef and rice. So let's take a look at what I'll be using today. I have Grace corned beef, that's my favorite. I have some pre-cooked potatoes as well as onions, bell peppers, garlic. I'll be using some scallions and parsley as well as tomato paste. I have some sazon seasoning, complete seasoning, red pepper flakes, and black pepper. To a preheated skillet, I'll go in with some oil as well as some butter. Allow that butter to melt, and then I'll go in with about a teaspoon of tomato paste. Usually I use tomato paste or ketchup here. Either one will work. I just like it because it gives the corned beef a vibrant color. Next, you want to go in with the aromatics, give them a good stir, and then we'll add our seasonings to flavor them up. Now, I'm using seasonings that are low in sodium because the corned beef is high in sodium. So complete seasoning and sazon are basically for flavors. They don't have like that salt content in there. So we'll give that a good stir and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, we'll now add the corned beef. Give it a good stir. Make sure it's well coated with those aromatics, and we'll give it about 3 minutes or so that it can marry well and all the flavors can be well incorporated. This is almost done. The last thing we'll add is our cooked potatoes and the scallions and parsley. We'll give that a good stir. And that's it, guys. This is how I like my corned beef. Now I will plate it up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, corned beef with some plain jasmine rice and fresh vegetables on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.